16. Although there's some white people coming. Good morning, madam. Good morning. Good morning, madam. Man, I had to use the bathroom food. That Momofuku chili crunch was disagreeing with my stomach, so I had to expel that shit. So now we're chilling. You know the vibes. Man.
In my dreams I seem to be more honest, and I must admit you've been in quite a few. Haley's comet comes around more than I do, but you're all it takes for me to break a promise.
It's better than Jenna Ortega's Kitty when I shouted her out at the Grammys. What's up with it?
I haven't slept since Sunday. Midnight for me is 3 a.m. for you, but my sleepless nights are better with you than nights could ever be alone. Ooh, I was good at feeling nothing, now I'm hopeless. What a drag to love you like I do. I've been loved before, but right now in this moment I feel more and more like I was made for you. For you.
Ice to Control just sent Chili up delivery to 2203.